Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to generate Instagram captions in Copy.ai. So first things first, you have to go to Copy.ai, create an account using your Google account, using your Microsoft account, email address, or your password. So once you're here, what you're going to do is you have to go to this part where you can see create new. Click this one. You can see here the options such as workflow, chat, folder. All you have to do is tap on the chat option. Basically, if you're using the upgraded version, you should see here on the dashboard the Instagram captions where you can basically use that feature. But since I'm using the basic version, then let's just use the other method, and that is to use the chat option right here. Now you can use real-time search, long-form content, brainstorm ideas, but for the sake of this tutorial, let's just go directly to this blank page right here. And then we can now, or you can now enter your details, enter the topic or theme of your post, specifically Instagram. So let's just say it's about summer vibes, new product launch, or fitness motivation. Everything is up to you. So here it is, summer vibes. Now you can add a keyword, for example, or let's just say tone or style you want. For example, if you want the tone funny or inspiring, professional. If you want to add target audience like 15 to 30 years old, and then format, let's just say how to or guide, everything is up to you. So as you can see here, target audience 15 to 30 years old, tone funny. You can add more prompts if you want. So after that, you can now press this one or enter and look for the result or wait for the result. So now here it is, and then you can now review and edit, browse through the options, choose the best one and tweak it. It's up to you. Then after that, step 6, you can use your caption. So copy the caption and paste it into your Instagram post. Okay, now pro tips, use emojis in your prompts. If you want captions with emojis, add hashtags manually or use Copy AI's hashtag generator if you're using the upgraded version, and try different tones like casual, motivational to see what fits best. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.